Recent developments and initiatives show promise to improve the community. There's recent redevelopment projects that they've done. They're in the process of trying to replace some of these older housing units with new housing units, and there's many sub-communities that are making progress towards improving the overall community. For example, there's uh, one of the areas that has a lot of issues with crime. There is a program now that they have where they have computer labs that people can come in during the day and use the computers for free to search for jobs, to research educational opportunities, to pay their bills. And they also have the options to receive job coaching, learn how to write a resume, learn interview skills, learn other applicable job skills to hopefully get these community members to better themselves in an effort to better the community overall. And many of these programs are showing great promise, but at this point in time, it is still not where it needs to be. So, Wilmington, it's a good community for those of us who live there, but according to the guidelines in the Seeking the Good Community article, it does not qualify. Thank you. Bye.